Today I want to show you how to replace your windshield wipers in case you're having problems like streaking, squeaking, or just not wiping very well. I've already started to open this one, but I went online and double checked what sizes I needed for my car. So you can literally just type in your car type, size, and year, and then it will tell you what sizes to buy. And then you look on the top, one of the ones I needed was 26 inches. So here's my brand new one. Okay, so once you got your windshield wiper tipped up so it's away from the car, you're going to tip this part right like this. And as you do that, there will be a little lever right underneath here. And if you push on that, then you can slide this whole mechanism down to unclip it. My hands are cold, so I'm trying not to get it to go too hard. Okay, once that is down, then you can just slide this part right out and get this whole piece off of there. Okay, now we're going to take the new one and we're going to do basically that same thing but just in reverse. Put it into there, push until it clicks. Now you've got a new windshield wiper blade and it should work a lot better.
Never need it back.